What's going on, folks? Stefan down at Victory Nissan. I'd like to show you our 2012 Dodge Durango that we just acquired. Brand new tires have been put on it. Also resurfaced the rotors on them as well. Comes with the roof rack on the top too. Is what's on the inside that counts, right? Got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, of course. All your hands-free settings on the steering wheel to make sure you're abiding by all the hands-free laws. Cruise control settings. Currently has 104,000 miles on it. You got dual control climate, so you're never fighting with your passenger over who's hot and who's cold. Satellite radios on here too if you choose to have it. Seats are in good condition. You got a temperature gauge for the people in the back as well. Auto dimming rear view mirror. It's got quite a few little bells and whistles on her if you ever needed it. Automatic headlights too. When you get to Victory Nissan, make sure you ask for Stefan. I'll do everything I can to help you get this Durango today. Have a wonderful day.